In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord when it's stuck on checking for updates. This issue can be quite frustrating, especially if you're eager to jump into a conversation with friends or join your favorite server. Don't worry, by following a few simple steps, you can have Discord up and running smoothly in no time. First, let's start by opening the Task Manager. This can be done quickly by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape simultaneously on your keyboard. The Task Manager provides a detailed overview of all the processes running on your computer, and this is the tool that will help us kickstart our fix. Once the Task Manager is open, navigate to the Processes tab. Here, you'll want to look for any running Discord processes. These can sometimes be the troublemakers holding up your update. Find these processes in the list and click End Task. Doing this stops any unnecessary Discord-related activities that could interfere with the update process. After ending these tasks, it's a good idea to restart your computer. This step is crucial because a simple restart can clear up any temporary glitches or cache issues that might be causing the holdup. Once your computer has rebooted, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog box. In this box, you'll type %appdata% and then hit Enter. This command leads you to the roaming folder where Discord's cache is stored. In the roaming folder, find the Discord folder and delete it. This action clears out old cache files that might be stuck or corrupted, paving the way for a fresh start when you next run Discord. Next, search for Add or Remove Programs or Apps and Features in your Windows search bar. Here, find Discord in the list of installed programs and proceed to uninstall it. Sometimes, a fresh installation is needed to resolve persistent update issues. Once Discord is uninstalled, head over to the official Discord website and download the latest version. Follow the prompts to install it again on your computer. This new installation should include all the latest updates and features. Finally, after reinstalling, it's a good idea to run Discord with elevated privileges to bypass any lingering permission issues. You can do this by right-clicking the Discord icon and selecting Run as Administrator. This ensures that Discord has the necessary permissions to operate correctly and complete any pending updates. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have Discord running smoothly and free from the annoyance of being stuck on checking updates. This process not only resolves many common issues, but also helps to maintain your software in top condition. Enjoy reconnecting with friends and communities on Discord, hassle-free.